So we have done our export command and import command. So now we will be doing the clone command. So how to clone the data domain using the clone dd command. So for that we can use an existing data domain and we can make exact copy of that data domain, but for this also we need a disabled data domain. So if your data domain is not disabled, disable it using Endeca cmd disable dd command. I have already seen the disable command in my earlier video. So let's clone the data domain. For this we will be using the clone dd command, Endeca cmd clone dd, new name of the data domain which you want to make. We are cloning the hr because hr we have already disabled. Okay, so we can clone it. So let's give it name hr clone. The source name, whatever the domain is there of which we are making the clone. So we are using hr, so source name is hr, sourc, source name hr. And we have other options also, like is enabled or is disabled. We can explore those also, but simply now I am taking cloning of hr. Okay, so let's enter it. Now it is copying the hr and it will make a new data domain with the name hr underscore clone. If you want to see whether it is created or not, you can simply use this dd command. Sorry, Endeca cmd list dd, you will find the hr clone and it is enabled, so we can use this thing. We have now new data domain. If you want to use it in applications, go to the control panel, from the settings in the studio, go to the Endeca server, choose any application. I have already HR application. In previously I used the imported data domain there. Now I have made a new data domain. I can give that name also there, and we can see whether it is valid or not. Connection definition for mesh is valid and successfully connected, so it is working fine. So we have seen the import data domain also. We have seen export data domain, import data domain, clone data domain. All three commands we have already seen there. If you want to explore some additional options like health of the data domain, we have the command get dd health. If you want to see what it shows, you can say Endeca cmd get dd health, name of the data domain hr clone we have made. It will show whatever the host number, port, protocols is available, follow or no. Okay, so it will give this information. And we have another command for getting the status of the data domain, so you can see that thing also. Endeca cmd get the status hr pro. It will give you so much things. Okay, whatever the status and everything. If you have like any bug and like any big troubleshooting, then you can use it. Okay. Mm, Now, so we have seen almost all the commands. Okay. Uh, have seen all important commands: create data domain, delete data domain, enable data domain, disable data domain, delete data domain, how to take the